Hello and welcome to our channel where we explore the dynamic world of content creation. If you're a content creator, a digital marketer, or simply someone curious about the digital world, you're in the right place. We're here to navigate the labyrinth of content creation together, sharing valuable insights, tips, and tools to make your journey easier. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. In today's video, we're going to talk about the challenges every content creator faces and introduce you to some revolutionary AI-powered tools that could make your content creation process a lot smoother. So, let's dive in. Ever felt overwhelmed by the demands of creating engaging, quality content consistently? It's a common struggle. Coming up with fresh ideas, battling time constraints, and maintaining high standards of quality, these challenges can make content creation feel like an uphill battle. And in the digital age where content is king, these pressures are only amplified. But what if there were tools that could make all of this easier? Tools powered by artificial intelligence. Scene Script. Here are the top 5 AI tools that can transform your content creation process. First up is Jasper. This AI-powered long-form content writing tool is your go-to buddy for creating blog posts, articles, social media content, and more. With advanced features, Jasper enables you to create high-quality content in less time than it would take to do it manually. Next, we have Synthesia. This AI-powered video creation platform allows you to create realistic and engaging videos without the hassle of filming or editing. You can choose from a variety of avatars and voices, and Synthesia will whip up a video for you in just a few minutes. Third on our list is Storybeat. This AI-powered storytelling tool helps you craft compelling narratives for your videos, podcasts, and other content. With its user-friendly interface, you can create storyboards, outlines, and scripts in a snap. Let's not forget Grammarly, the AI-powered grammar and spell checker. Grammarly ensures your writing is error-free. And with its premium features, you can also receive feedback on your tone, style, and clarity. Last but not least, we have Copy.ai. This AI-powered copywriting tool assists you in generating creative and persuasive marketing copy. With its range of templates and tools, you can effortlessly create ad copy, landing page copy, and more. With these AI-powered tools, your content creation process becomes easier, faster, and more efficient. Imagine the kind of content you could create with these AI tools at your disposal. They're designed to elevate your creativity, streamline your workflow, and refine your storytelling. Whether it's generating engaging ideas, crafting persuasive copy, or automating mundane tasks, these tools are your allies. Harnessing the power of AI isn't just about staying ahead, it's about unlocking a world of possibilities, enabling you to create content like never before. So why not give these AI tools a try? They could be the game changer you've been looking for in your content creation journey. Before we move on to some additional tips, we'd love to hear from you. Did you find this video helpful? Are there any AI tools you're already using or planning to try? Let's create a dialogue in the comment section below. Your feedback will not only help us create more relevant content, but it will also foster a community of content creators who learn from each other. And if you're finding value in our content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Your support helps us keep bringing more content like this to you. Before we wrap up, here are a few additional tips to maximize your content creation efforts. Don't forget the power of catchy visuals and graphics. Keep your videos concise and to the point. Promote your masterpieces across social media platforms. Use relevant keywords in your video titles and descriptions to boost your searchability. And lastly, engage with your viewers in the comments section. It builds community. By incorporating these tips and AI tools into your strategy, you're well on your way to creating engaging, high-quality content that stands out.